Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to start 2D project of Ahmed body. This is the my geometry points. Now after that is to draw the curves of Ahmed body. Okay, this is our geometry. Okay, this is our domain and this is our Ahmed body model. First of all, you have to select blocking, then create block, change the name fluid, initial block, 2D planner, apply. The block is created now, initialize blocking done. Now you have to associate edge to curve. First of all, this one, middle mouse button, this middle mouse button, done. Select middle mouse button, then select middle mouse button, done. Select middle mouse button, select middle mouse button, select middle mouse button, select middle mouse button, done. These all the domains of all four sides are now associate. Now see, all are green lines. Now come to the split curve. Now see how to split the curve. Select from here, split curve, this one, this one, this one, this one, done. Okay, the curve has been splitting right now. Then after that you have to select block. Okay, the unnecessary block we have to delete, then select delete block. Okay, wait, now splitting block done. And then you have to associate this. First of all, go to blocking, associate, then middle mouse button, done, middle mouse button, done, middle mouse button, select, then middle mouse button, done, select middle mouse button, then middle mouse button, then select middle mouse button, then select middle mouse button, select middle mouse button, select. Now see, all parts are green, so you have then associate it successfully and curves on. Now go to the premesh. Okay, go to the blocking, premesh parameter. Okay, 50, 10, 15. As per requirement you have to supply the nodes. 30, we have to give the 15 number of nodes here. Apply, recompute. Okay, then supply the node 10 number, 15 number, 15 number. Then go to the premesh parameter from T3 section and see our message generated properly. Now here you see there are some unfortunate nodes. Here you first of all go to the section, this edit association. I think this is the problem of age. Now you have to select this, select this, done. Now this missing parameter is done. Now I have to create the part already: inlet, outlet, bottom wall and symmetry wall. Okay, this is the inlet part, this one outlet, bottom wall, this is the symmetry wall. Okay, now you have to go the output mesh. Now first of all, to select the right click on premesh parameter, and then you have to select the convert unstructured mesh. Okay, now go to the boundary condition is already selected: inlet, bottom wall, inlet, outlet, symmetry, except. Now go to the output solver, ANSYS Fluent, the default, apply. Now save current project and hex and 2D, grid dimension 2D, done. Okay, now message create. Okay, now we have to send to the ANSYS Fluent solver of MSH file, then close this ICM CFD